Hi, my name is Dr. Tim Langley. I'm a chiropractor in Marietta, Georgia. You know, it's funny, sometimes I'll have someone ask if I adjust people with cancer. And my answer is always, well, of course, why would I not adjust someone with cancer? You know, and I guess the thinking is that it's either revolutionary or outside the box to think that chiropractic care could help someone with cancer. So let me just give you a quick example of why I adjust and the problem I have with the current mode of dealing with cancer. The way we deal with cancer in our society is that we give cancer the strength, the power, and all of the treatment typically is towards the tumor or the disease. So we end up subjecting people to chemotherapy and radiation, which is kind of like if you've got, let's take the situation in Iraq and Afghanistan. If you've got some bad guys in a neighborhood creating some problems, one response is to go in and just send a nuclear bomb in and just blow up the whole neighborhood and blow up the whole country. But you end up with a lot of collateral damage. A lot of people who don't necessarily know or are involved with the problem end up getting killed. Well, that treatment regimen sort of does the same thing. It can kill everything in the area, eventually rendering the organism or the person very, very weak, and the treatment itself can end up killing people. The chiropractic approach is not in fact, to deal with the cancer itself. It's to make the body stronger and to open lines of communication so that the body can do what it knows that it needs to do. In the same situation with the terrorists, it's like giving every lawful household a weapon and a communication system so that, one, they can identify a bad guy when they arrive, notify the authorities, and either the individual deal with that invader at the time, or the proper authorities are sent out. Well, that's the way your immune system works. If everything in your body is working. And what we do from a chiropractic standpoint is make sure that those lines of communication are always open to the maximum extent possible so that your body can send in the right kind of forces to fight whatever the entity is. And by virtue of being stronger, the individual cells being stronger, the tissues being stronger, the organs being stronger, the systems being stronger, then the whole organism or the whole person is stronger, and cancer is weaker. So do I adjust cancer patients? Of course I adjust cancer patients. And I expect a miracle every time, because I know that when the body functions better, it does more of what it's supposed to do better. This is Dr. Tim Langley. I'm a chiropractor in Marietta, Georgia. If I can help you, I'd love to. My website is www.langley-chiropractic.com, or you can just Google me at Langley Chiropractic or Marietta Chiropractor, and I'll be glad to help you out. If you're not in the Atlanta area and you need a chiropractor to help you, please feel free to shoot me an email or give me a phone call. This is Dr. Tim Langley, a chiropractor in Marietta, Georgia. Thanks, and have a great day.